Welcome class. We are doing third chapter of geography, that is drainage. Today we will do river system and its importance and how it is polluted everything. If there would be no water, there would be no life. River plays very important role in our life. In fact, all the civilization grew on river basin. For example, Indus Valley civilization in Indus Basin, Egyptian civilization in Nile Basin, and many more. River system has vital and important role. Water from river is used for agriculture and industries. It is also used for drinking, washing, cleaning, etc. Water bodies also develops transportation and navigation systems. These are also food source. This supports animals, plants and aquatic habitat. It is also needed for mineral extractions. Then these are the means of recreation and tourism purposes. What about economy? River plays a vital role in our economic too. This is hydropower on river Kaveri. It is on fundamental importance to humans using rivers for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation, fishing is of special significance. You can see here. But rivers are being polluted for a long. Pollution means contamination of water bodies. When we throw all our waste in river and it becomes dirty. The growing domestic, industrial and agricultural demand for water from river affects the quality of water. More and more water is being drained out of them, reducing their volume. So, the water table is also decreased. This is river Yamuna being polluted from industrial wastes. Would you like to live alongside this river? I know your answer will be certainly no way. This would be your answer, isn't it? Sewage treatment, preventing rivers, routine cleaning, these all have become necessity of the hour. Thus, NRCP was brought. The full form of NRCP is National River Conservation Plan. It was launched in 1985 and it was launched in two phases. The main motto was to make all the rivers clean. On January 14, 1986, second phase was also launched. It was for cleanliness of Ganga. Cleanliness of river Ganga, also known as Ganga Action Plan. NRCP has two main objectives: water treatment and improve the quality of water. Here is it. The whole process of water treatment plan are clarified. It is a long process how the contaminated water are filtered and purified and then distributed all over the town and cities and localities. Water from the lake passes through several processes: intact pipes, preliminary treatment, protective bar screen, traveling water screen, low lift pump well, chlorinization, fluoridation, then clear well chlorinization, high lift pump well, elevated water storage tower, and ground level reservoir, and then it is distributed to all the town and cities. Here is a comparison. You can see here how it is shown. Here untreated and polluted water is shown, and here it is clean and pure water. So, which one you will like? Certainly this one. Water quality, here it is improved. So, we use water wisely and in judicious way. Don't waste it. But we have to remember 3 R's: reuse it, reduce it, and retreat it.